Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. Today I have a 2019 Kia Cerato and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the air conditioning pollen filter or air filter. So what we're going to do is come over the passenger side of the vehicle, open up the door fully, then it is all actually found behind the glove box. So we actually have to take the door off to do this. So open it up, just over on the left and right hand side there's a half turn buckle which looks just like that. So there's one either side. That allows you to drop the glove box down more, but then we actually want to close it again. Then underneath there's actually two pins, one on each hinge. Looks just like that. So pull both of those out, nice and easy. And then when you go to open the glove box this time, it'll actually drop right the way down on one side. And then as you'll see, there's a strut on this side. So we're just going to go ahead and pull that out of the strut as well. So now with the glove box off, that actually exposes where our air conditioning pollen filter is. So notice this one's actually got white marks at the bottom, but there is a very faint arrow as well. So it's pointing down. So take that off. And now with that off, you can actually see the filter itself. So just get a finger in there, try and pull it out nice and square, not to damage it. And then that is our air conditioning pollen filter. So as you can see, this one's got a bit of debris in there, not too much. And there is some writing and an arrow on there as well. So just making sure that arrow points in the same direction that the one on the lid does. Okay, once you've got your new filter or you've cleaned your old one like I have, I'm just going to go ahead and put that straight back in, making sure it's nice and square. A bit hard to do one-handed, hopefully you'll be using two. Making sure that arrow is pointing down, make sure it's all the way back. Get your cover plate, click that back on as well, again making sure the arrow is pointing down, and then we're ready to put our glove box back on. So to do that, start with the pin over this left-hand side, like so. And then I'm actually going to go ahead and click the glove box up, and then that will allow me to get the pins back into the hinges. So there you go, that's one pin in. Making sure they're all the way back. And then it's just our glove box stoppers to go back in. So you've got to hold the glove box up slightly. Again, just a quarter turn. And there we go, that's my video on how to remove and replace the pollen filter or air conditioning air filter on a 2018 or 19 Kia Cerato. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel.